Hi guys, my name is Shabir Khan. I'm the founder of Internet Marketers Connect, and I just want to discuss about a big issue due to which the Bing ads get disapproved. Okay, that is called the domain in this display URL does not match the landing page URL. Okay, so Bing display URL and landing page URL error. Let's first understand the URLs and landing page policies. These URLs and landing pages policies will help you with acceptable URLs and the kind of behavior users should expect when they trigger your ad. URLs should accurately describe your ad's landing page. For example, also landing pages should load and function as normally expected. Disruptive or deceptive content is not allowed on Bing ads, okay? The different URL types are the display URL, the web page address that appears in your ad text, final URL, the upgraded version of the URL address of the page on your website that people reach when they click your ad from a desktop or laptop. Tracking URL is the address that enables you to track your performance, and the landing page URL, the address of the final web page where users end up after clicking an ad. Now let's understand final and landing page URL. So the final URL must work properly and resolve to a single working website. It cannot connect to an email address or a file or result in a page with a 404 or other 4XX status code. Okay, so basically www.contoso.com. So the final URL must work properly and resolve to a single working website. It cannot connect to an email address on a file, as you can see here. Okay, so it cannot go to an email or file or error. Okay, it should go to a web page. So this would be your final landing page URL. The display URL, the final URL determines the display URL. Okay, however, relevant content subfolders can be added, of course. So URL mismatch, what is that? The display URL must match the landing page URL. If tracking template is used to redirect the user, landing page URL domain and content must match the final URL domain and content. Like www.contoso.com should actually going to www.contoso.us. Now this does not follow the proper guidelines. Now again, if www.contoso.com goes to www.floral.com, this is also not approved. So what could be an accepted URL mismatch? Limited to the following circumstances, non-matching display and landing page URLs are acceptable. Tracking URLs used for legitimate tracking purposes with redirects. Final URLs with redirects not matching the display URLs are acceptable, provided that the top level domain of the display URL and the top level domain of the landing page URL match. So for example, this is an approved example. Let's say your display URL is www.contoso.com for your Bing ad, and your final URL can be contosotracking.com, and your landing page URL can be www.contoso.com. Now this kind of ad would be approved by Bing ads. Now another example is the descriptive deep links. Okay, subdomains or folders can be used in the display URL for descriptive purposes that do not match the subdomain or folders of the landing page URL, provided that the top level domain match and that the subdomain or folder adequately describes the portion of your site users will land. Okay, so the approved example could be display URL www.contoso.com shoe /shoe, then the final URL contoso.com/ then it could be /search, etc., any of your website page. Then again the landing page URL could be contoso.com. Again, this is an approved example and could be approved by Bing. Hosting sites, you may be allowed to use a descriptive display URL that does not match the landing page URL for hosted domains. If you believe you have a legitimate use case fitting in this category, you may appeal the rejection. So approved example, display URL www.contoso.com, final URL contoso2.hosteddomain.com, landing page URL contoso2.hosteddomain.com. Now, this is an approved example. Now, brand consideration, you may be allowed to use a display URL that does not match the landing page URL for brand consideration purposes. For example, a well-recognized product brand can be used as display URL to direct users to the generic sale portal of the product owner. If you believe you have a legitimate use case fitting in this category, you may appeal the rejection. Okay, so approved example: office.microsoft.com, final URL products.office.com, landing page URL products.office.com. This could be approved. Okay, URL characters, display URLs and final URLs may only be in Latin, that is the ASCII characters, and must not contain accents or diacritics. Display URLs and final URLs with known Latin characters such as Chinese or Russian characters, for example, and Latin characters with accents and diacritics such as http contos.com, for example, will be rejected by the Bing ads. Some few extra tips: your landing page must be available and reliably respond even at peak use times. Your final URL must resolve to a single static landing page. It may not take search users to a different page on the site each time the ad is clicked. Using a landing page that you own or control, or that you're authorized to represent or send traffic to. Okay, now this could be approved. I hope this video will help you in getting your Bing ads approved by using proper URLs in your ad copies while creating your Bing ad campaign. If you need any extra help, you can always contact me for my live Skype coaching session on CPA marketing, where I teach everything live via Skype with practical sessions. Okay, on how to set up your CPA campaigns live on Skype. Okay, you can check the link in the description to go live with me on Skype and get your Bing campaigns live. Thanks for watching, guys. My name is Shabir Khan. Again, increase your learning curve to increase your earning curve. Take care. Bye bye.